Most welcome in another episode of Legal Terms and Phrases. The first term is adjudicate. 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 To settle by judicial decree. To determine judicially. To settle by judicial decree. To determine judicially. Adminicular, 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 in the support of evidence or corroboration of evidence, in the support of evidence or corroboration of evidence. Adolescent, 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 a person in age of adolescence, a person in age of adolescence, ADOLESCENCE. Adolescence. Section 2(1)A Mines Act defines it, as well as Section 2 subsection 9 of Minimum Wages Act defines it. Adulteration, 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 to make impene by addition of a foreign substance, to make impene by addition of a foreign substance. Section 272 of IPC. Adulterer, 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 who commits adultery is called adulterer. Adulteress, 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 a woman who commits adultery is called adulteress. Adulteress. Advisor, ADVISER, advisor, one who gives advice designated to counsel, one who gives advice designated to counsel. Section 129 Indian Evidence Act and Section 18(2)A of Oil Industry Development Act. Advisor, one who gives advice designated to counsel. Affiance, 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 to enter into engagement before marriage, to enter into engagement before marriage. This is called affiance. Affidavit, 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 swearing statement of facts made ex parte, oath in writing by the party made without notice to the adverse party. It is signed voluntarily and affirmed. This is called affidavit. Affirm, 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 to make serious statement in the nature of oath, to make serious statement in the nature of oath. Affray, disturbing public place. Affray, disturbing public place. Affray, disturbing public place. This is described in section in Indian Penal Code, section 159. Afloat, 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 on the water, afloat, on the water. Afterthought, second thought or late consideration, AFTERTHOUGHT, afterthought, second thought or late consideration. Age of maturity, the age of person acquiring legal rights is called age of maturity. Agency, representative of the master, agency, representative of the master. Age, time of life, time of conventional qualification for something. Section 141 of TP Act. Aggrieved, 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 unhappy or distressed person who has been oppressed or treated unfairly. Aggrieved, unhappy or distressed person who has been oppressed or treated unfairly. Alibi, to plea states, the plea states that the person was at another place at the time of act. The plea which states that the person was at another place at the time of the act. This is called an alibi. Alimony, the sum of money to be paid to the wife after divorce. The sum of money to be paid to the wife after divorce. This is called alimony. Allegation, pleading and declaring to prove. Allegation, pleading and declaring to prove. Allege, declare and affirm. It has been described in section 1 in Indian Evidence Act. Allegiance, 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 formal term of loyalty covering the conduct of individual. Allegiance, formal term of loyalty covering the conduct of individual. Alliance, 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 to unite together, connection of individuals or families by marriage. Alliance, to unite together, connection of individuals or families by marriage. This is called alliance. Allegiance, 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 formal term of loyalty covering the conduct of the individual. Allocable surplus, allocable surplus, ALLOCABLE, allocable surplus, SURPLUS, allocable surplus. Surplus can be distributed. That surplus which can be distributed is called allocable surplus. This is all about today's legal terms and phrases. Thanks, regards.